guys, Matt, Moon, IronTrap Garage. We are working on the header setup for the passenger side on the Free T. In the last video you saw where I got the pipe all laid out. I worked for quite a bit of time changing all the different configurations to get something that flowed with the body like how I wanted. So I ended that video with making the flanges, the exhaust or header flanges from scratch. Got them all sanded, did the final drill for the bolts, and I'm starting to mock it up. So I cut my pipes to about what I thought they needed to be, but until you get the flange on there and get the pipe to go up into the flange and see how it sits, you really don't quite know exactly how long or what angle to cut the tubing at. So for instance, I thought this pipe was actually a little too short when I made it last time, and I was a little worried because I thought I was going to have to add a little piece or something in there. But it turns out when I started pushing it up in, it's actually too long and it's sitting right on the frame here. So what I need to do is actually shorten this tube a little bit so that it gets in closer to the engine and pulls it up off of the frame. So I'm going to start trimming that, get it all sanded, cleaned up, and then I can get it tacked and move on to the next one. And hopefully we'll have this exhaust pretty much all welded up on this side in short order. Alright, so got the exhaust all tacked up on this side, and I'm pretty happy with it. It flows really nicely. It just took a little bit of time to fit everything together, and I was basically working by myself, so using magnets and blocks and things to get stuff sitting just how it needed. It took time, and I got everything fitted up pretty good. I got it welded really solid now. I still need to do some additional welding, but I got everything welded enough that it shouldn't shift when I take it off the engine and put it on the bench to finish weld and get all in those hard to reach areas. So the only thing I'm left to do on this other than finish weld is I need to make a little bracket for a brace. I know somebody in a video had asked what I was doing with a brace, or if I was going to let it hang on the flanges. I would never suggest doing that because something's going to break, whether it's a weld or it's something at the flange, it's going to cause it to leak. So you need some sort of bracket or brace to hold the exhaust. It's a lot of weight back here just hanging. So I'm going to make a little bracket that's hidden that goes to the frame. I'm just waiting. I ordered a cool little like poly grommet. Speedway has it, that you can just drill a hole and it clips into the hole, and you can run a bolt through it, and then it'll give you a little bit of flex, and that works pretty well. So that's just a quick little like S-shaped bracket I'm going to make out of some flat steel, and otherwise this side is done. So I can move on to the other side and mimic this, and we'll have a full exhaust system, which should sound pretty cool. The nice thing about using these torque tube tailpipes is that you can fit a nice little baffle inside of it to tune the sound, if you will. A lot of times if you're going to drive the car on the street with open pipes, it's cool at first, but it gets annoying really, really fast. So I'll probably, since this thing will do some street duty, I'm going to slide in a baffle in there, put a little set screw, and that will get the sound a little more manageable so it doesn't just sound like a straight up race car. So that's all I have for this one. As always, we do videos on Tuesdays on the free T. Fridays we do either Tools That Don't Suck, Sweetheart Roadster, the Sport Coupe, or whatever else is going on at the shop. So thanks guys for watching. Catch you later.